Hey, task trekkers, if you're on the hunt for a legit airdrop, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to register for the confirmed Infinity Ground airdrop, and make sure you don't miss out on those sweet rewards. First things first, grab your EVM-compatible wallet. That means MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Rabbi. If you've been using Initia, Solana, Telegram, or just your email to log in, listen up. You need to link a wallet that supports BEP20 tokens. No wallet, no airdrop, simple as that. Now head over to the official Infinity Ground site. Connect your wallet, the site should prompt you. Once you're in, find the registration section. It's usually just a couple of clicks to lock in your address. After registering, you can earn extra points daily through the voyage tasks. Just check in, complete the simple activities, and rack up those points. The more active you are, the better your shot at bigger rewards when the token drops. Remember, this isn't just a one-and-done thing. Staying active keeps you eligible for future airdrop rounds. So, don't just register and disappear, keep earning. One last thing, mark your calendars. The registration deadline is June 22nd, 2025. Miss it, and you're out of luck, no matter how many tasks you've done. So that's your step-by-step on locking in the Infinity Ground airdrop. Like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on Task Trekker for more free earning opportunities. Good luck, and happy hunting!